Alright, so we are on a job today, taking care of some holiday cleaning here. Rachel here has got carpet clean wand, and she's removing all the dirt here. You can see it's coming out pretty good, making a big difference. You can see where she's already cleaned, where the couch was, definitely in front of it. It gets the most damage and the most amount of soil. But yeah, so this process is certified by the IICRC to clean your carpet properly without leaving any kind of harmful residues or anything like that behind. Cleaning it properly really does make a big difference as far as, how clean it stays. We run into a lot of circumstances where people have cleaned it themselves or hired someone else and they've left a lot of residue. So this is the example of that. There's a lot of residue here. But we've extracted some pet urine here. You can see where we've done the pet urine extraction. It actually made clean spots because it removes pet urine and salts and lipids, which are fats that are in the urine. And with that, when we extract it and we flush that spot, it flushes all the dirt out. So we know that that's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what we're bringing it back to. So if you guys need us, just give us a call, 814-547-1848. We're Meadville's only IICRC certified firm for carpet cleaning, and we'd love for you to be our client and get your home clean for the holidays. So if you guys haven't seen my page, CNS Cleaning Services, you'll see that my son Cole is now arrived and he's the new boss. So hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you soon.